Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. So today we want to make grilled chicken with the garlic and onion, with smashed garlic and onion. So as you can see now, we have our chicken. You cut them into smaller pieces to the size that you like. So cut them into smaller pieces, then clean them in clean water. After cleaning them, put them into a sizable bowl because you have to mix the ingredient later. So we have our garlic and onion. These are not processed. You have to peel the garlic and smash the garlic. As you can see here, you peel the garlic, put them into grinding tool, then you smash them. Smash them until they become a little bit smaller or smoother that can mix with ingredient, as you can see. So here we have our garlic already. It's kind of small and smooth, not too smooth, but this size is favorable. Then cut your onions into smaller pieces also. Put them into the grinding, pound them. After pounding them, then now we have our garlic and onion. Put your ingredient, the ones that you have. For me, I'm using pepper, black pepper, onion powder, curry powder, paprika, and garlic powder. You can use any ingredient that you want, and also lemon. So now we had our garlic, pounded garlic and onions, then a little bit of oil to mix. So mix your ingredients. Make sure all the chicken has all the ingredients. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button. So after you mix them very well, as you can see, make sure you thoroughly mix them for the ingredient and the taste of the ingredient to get inside the chicken. So here we have our chicken now mixed with the ingredient. This is how it looks. Take a foil, then cover it with a foil for the taste to be absorbed inside, or the aroma not to go outside so much. So cover it with a foil and leave it for 3 hours or 2 hours or 5 hours, whatever you like. Then put the chicken into the grill one by one. As you can see, this is our chicken inside the grill now, and then open the heat. You first start at 150, then later we will change it to 200. So put the grill on. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button. Put the grill on and then let the chicken be grilled. As you do that, make sure the heat is at 150 degrees. This you start at 150, then later we will change it. So as you can see, this is at 150. Yes, this is at 150. So we leave it for some time, then we will come to change both sides. Now this is our chicken. Kindly hit the subscription button for me. This is the first. As you can see, now we turn them a second time We keep turning them until they turn brown. Don't mind my potatoes, because these potatoes I'm going to eat with the chicken. You can add anything you like. So this is my third turning. You keep changing the sides for the edge to be accumulated, all the sides. So after 1 hour or 60 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes or 1 hour 30 minutes, then the chicken will be ready. And now we have our chicken here. You see how it looks very tastier. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cooking projects. Thank you.